How to set up Lloyds Bank travel notification. Welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you on setting up your Lloyds Bank travel notification. Now, actually, you don't need to set a traditional travel notification with Lloyds Bank anymore. Instead, you could use your Lloyds mobile app and find the travel hub or search for travel, and you can either manage your trips, order travel money, or activity as well. So what you want to do is first thing first, open your Lloyds Bank app, log into your account. From the home page, you want to search for Travel Hub or just travel within the app. When you've done that, you want to use the book your travel section to book flights, hotel, or see existing booking as well. Moving on, you could also select Add Travel Smart to enable fee-free card use abroad for your trip and older travel money or check cards fees from the hub as well. And that is how you're going to set up Lloyds Bank travel notification. With that being said, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.